In this video, we'll show you how to install the fine cartridges. Open the front cover. Open the paper output cover. Do not touch the fine cartridge holder until it stops completely. Peel the protective tape off the color fine cartridge. Be careful not to touch these parts of the fine cartridge. Install the fine cartridges. Install the color fine cartridge to the left holder. Hold the cartridge diagonally and gently insert it so as not to strike the electrical contact at the far end of the fine cartridge holder. Push up on the fine cartridge until you hear a click. Now, install the black fine cartridge to the right holder in the same way. Confirm the fine cartridges are properly installed. If the fine cartridges are not properly installed, reinstall them. Now, close the paper output cover. If this screen appears, check that the fine cartridges are installed properly. The fine cartridge installation is now complete. Thank you for watching.